Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. Today in this video I have a YouTube upload hack which will give you amazing video quality when you upload your videos. Now I know it is really it is not great when you are working so hard in a video, you export the video, then you upload it in YouTube, and then you see the potato quality. It is not that good. So in this video I'll be teaching you just that. So if this is the first time you're watching my video, then please feel free to subscribe, as it really helps me and also motivates me to create more videos just like this one. Now, as this is Filmora Made Easy, you might think this video or the trick will only work for Filmora users, but no, this will work for any video editors out there. If you use I don't know, Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, Filmora, or any other video editing software that is there and I might not know, it will work for that as well. So first and foremost, what you need to do is go ahead and run the video editing software. For me, I'm using Wondershare Filmora, as this is Filmora Made Easy. All right, and then next what you need to do is just go ahead and edit your video. For me, I already have a video, so for you the same thing will be, you just open up the video that you have, project file that you have already worked on. Now for me, this is a really simple video that you can just see. It's a very simple timeline. It is for my client. I just sell my service as that as well. I create educational videos. So once you are here, and also make sure you are using the latest version of your video editing software. Just check for updates, and you should have the latest version to get better quality. So the main thing, so as the video that I'm working on is a full HD video, I want you to export the video in a resolution which is higher than full HD or higher than whatever resolution video that you're working on. For example, you're working on a 2K resolution video. Then I want you to export your video in 4K resolution. For all video editing softwares, the export setting is a bit different. I'll just splash for Adobe Premiere Pro as well as DaVinci Resolve. There will be an option to choose the resolution of your video that you will be exporting. So for me right now, as I am working with a full HD resolution video, I will be using a 2K resolution. Why 2K? Because it really helps to get you better quality once you upload that video to YouTube. I know you must be thinking, if your video is full HD, exporting in 2K won't make the video 2K. Yeah, you're sure. You're correct in a way, but YouTube isn't that way. If you export your full HD video in 2K resolution and then upload that video to YouTube, then YouTube will process the video, and then if you watch that video in full HD, you will get better quality. You can just, if you don't believe me, you can just go ahead and try for your next video. It's gonna work out. Now for me, I have a custom preset for it, which is 2K 60 frames per second. For that, the resolution is 2560 times 1440, which is 1440p. As my video is in full HD, so I'm using 1440p. If your video is 1440p, I will want you to use 4K or maybe anything as such. But if you're already working in a 4K resolution video, then I have some tips for you, because 4K, if you're uploading videos in 4K, the quality will always be better. But if still your quality is not good, then I want you to use the encoder as AV1 or H.265 if you have that. For my editing software, I just don't have that, so I'll be using AV1 because AV1 has the best compression ratio as well as the highest quality possible. It's just great. Format, you can use MP4, and also if you go to advanced for your video editing software, it might be different. Make sure you use really high bitrate, slight high bitrate, as well as the kilobits per second. Use it as much high as possible. The more kilobits per second, the more bitrate you use, the higher quality your video will be, and hence the better quality after it is uploaded to YouTube. And the rest of things are not really important. The first important thing is the resolution. Second thing is the encoder. Frame rate comes next. So it depends if you're editing or uploading video game content, then make sure you use 60 frames per second. But for normal videos, 30 frames does the job. And if you're making a movie or editing a movie, then 24 frames per second is the great. And then the next important thing is bitrate. Use it high, and also kilobits per second. Choose as high as possible, and then just click on apply, and then export the video and then upload it into your YouTube. And I'm pretty sure that your quality of the video will be much better than what it was previously. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. And also, please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me a lot.